You're going to choose Fonto and click the little camera on the bottom. Then it'll lead you to everything. Choose plain images. And then there'll be 2 boxes on the top, so click any of them. Now you can click the color label and it'll bring you to all the colors that you can make for your background. And you can just mess around with it until you like the finishing product. After you find it, you're going to press the apply button on the top. And you're going to the numbers to make your sizing. Next, you're going to click use. Now you're going to tap anywhere, tap again on the add text. Now you can put the name of your YouTube channel. Here you can see mine. Now you're going to click remove. And you can click style. There's any fonts you can do too, but I didn't do any fonts because I wanted it to be simple. But you can click stroke and it'll be just like mess around with it. I don't really have to explain this part. After you're done, just click done and just size it out differently. And I want to change it up again. There are a lot of cute ways you can put it. I just wanted it to be simple, that's why I didn't really go all out, but you know, you can do whatever you want. Next, you're going to click save image and go to your YouTube channel. Click branding, and in the middle it's going to be like change or anything like that. And so you're going to choose that in photo library and you can upload your YouTube banner. And then you click done and publish. That there should be a label that pops up and says go to channel. So you click that and it leads you to your YouTube channel with your banner. This is the end of the video. Like and subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Thanks for watching.